Donald Trump criticized the design of the new iPhone 11. But Schwarzenegger likes it. US President Donald Trump, like Elon Musk, is very fond of writing posts on Twitter. Only him, unlike Musk, no one forbids doing this, so you can even criticize the design of the iPhone. What did not like so? Trump wrote a post on his page, @RealDonaldTrump, addressing Apple CEO Tim Cook. Tim, the button on the iPhone was much better than swiping. Trump wrote. Donald J. Trump, to Tim, the button on the iPhone was far better than the swipe. The president is referring to the round physical button on older iPhones. True, he was a bit late. The company switched to frameless and abandoned the button in 2017, with the release of the iPhone X. But Trump, apparently, had in mind the new models of the iPhone 11 family. Well, now Apple will have to urgently release a smartphone with an old design, special for Donald. Although, according to rumors, this is exactly what the iPhone SE2 will be. Take the example of Arnie, but Arnold Schwarzenegger seems to like the design of the new iPhone 11 Pro. All thanks to the triple chamber, which resembles his flamethrower from the movie Commando with the young Iron Arnie in the title role. Schwarzenegger came to the event in honor of the release of a new film about Terminator in South Korea with the iPhone 11 Pro in the original case with the image of Arnie and the flamethrower. It turned out funny.